You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just here for the first time, please click on the subscription button, and if you like this video, when you are done with it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and press the notification bell for further videos. Now I want to continue on the princess that blouse we've been sewing. Now this is where we are. Today I will finish the neck with my bias band, and as well fix the zip open-endedly. So to start with, I will use the zip allowance point. So when you are using your clothes with a blade, be careful. I'm using it to cut the thread, and make sure it's a blunt blade, not a sharp or new one. Make sure it is blunt so that it not cut the fabric. So you open the zip allowance, then you fix the zip. But first, before I do that, I will finish the down part of the cloth. I've weaved it. Then I will place the bias band and then fix the zip. So the other time I said you iron the points in which you join your princess dart. You can see I've ironed mine, and I've weaved it with my industrial weaving machine. So this is how it looks like. Now I will now finish the down part. So because I've weaved, I'm just going to sew it once, just a single fold. But it's not how the weaving machine, you do your own double fold like this. It will be this way for you. But since I've weaved mine, I'll just do it once. So you can see, I hope you are following. So with this now, I'm done with the down part of the cloth. Now then I'm going to put the bias band on the neck to finish the neck. So now I will iron this part. So when I finish ironing, I'll finish it with bias band. This is how to go about that. It has two curved edges, so pick one. So this rough end, you fold it this way and place it. I hope you are seeing this. So make sure you wash your stitches so that you are sure the machine is sewing well. You can also finish the clothes with facing. That means you cut the round like the way you cut the neck of the cloth. That's the way you are going to cut the facing, and also finish it the way I'm doing too. But instead of bias, if you do the fabric you will use. So I'm about to end this, then I'll cut it off. Then I'll fold the end too. You see? The same way I started, that's the same way I ended it. So then now you fold it in to finish it. And see the way I'm sewing it. That place has jumped. When I'm done, I will come back and restitch it. Make sure you place it very well on the bias band. So if you have any question on how to cut facing to your clothes, you do that in the advanced class when the time comes. So you finish the end very well. With this now, I'm done with the finishing of the neck of the clothes. So for the other place that I jumped the other time, you just come and restitch the point. I'm just showing us how to sew carefully. I don't want to jump any part of the video. I will have forward this part, but I want you to see how it is done properly. Now, I will move to the joining of the fixing of the zip now. How to fix the zip. This is how to place it. I decide to place it this way. I prefer to first fold it down before doing the final close up of the zip. now restitch it closely to the zip teeth. You can see it now. You lift this end up where you are able to finish the down part. That's for this side. Then I'll do the same for the other side. Pick the thread along the parts. Pick those threads. So do you see it? Make sure the two ends fix properly. You can see the way mine is. Do you see? Then you hold it down first. You hold it, do the final closing of the zip like I did on the other side. The fabric has hooked the zip, that's why. So you put it down carefully. I hope you are following. So now you before you close this on the other and the teeth of the second one, before you finish this side, zip it up to see whether it really fits properly at the upper end. You can see. You see, so now it's a little bit up other than the other part. So before closing, make sure you pull it down a little, then you close the other end. Or at times I fold it this way so that it fits perfectly. So you check this first so that you know how to adjust it when you want to close this other end the way this one is. The zip and the clothes, they are fighting, you lose it. The machine has climbed on the fabric as I'm fixing the zip, so I will have to lose it down. I don't want to jump through it. So when you face obstacles like this, you will think your own is different from mine. So it can happen to anyone, whether you've been fixing zip for a long time or you are just starting. Just make sure you correct it and move on. So the machine has climbed on the fabric as I am fixing that zip, so you lose it. Lose it, then I will continue again. I will start from the down parts afresh. So it's because the fabric I'm using is very light. So that's one of the things that is causing that. Carefully put the zip down and continue. That's if you are using my own kind of zip. So because this place is a bit longer than the other end, I will correct it here. I'll correct it a bit here so that it will balance well at the end. You see the way I will do it. I'll shift this down a little. Shift it down. Then I will now close it up now. So let's see our zip now. I'm done with the fixing. And I will now finish the end of the zip when it's perfectly fixed. So you shall see. Now if you see now, it's okay. Then you close it off. I don't want the metal part of that zip to show outside, so I'll close it like this. The same for this other side. You can see that this one we have to fold in more, because when we were fixing it the other time, we discovered that it's a bit up than the other parts. So that's why I have to fold it in more. So just be careful so that the needle will not eat the metal parts inside. That's if you are using my own type of zip. So now you can see the zip. We are done with the fixing of our zip. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things. Please give this video a thumbs up and click on the like button. Then subscribe if you have not done so.